How to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. If you are facing this problem, first and foremost, head back from your Discord and open any Google account. Now tap on your profile icon and go to manage your Google account. Tap on security and scroll down to the very bottom and tap on password manager. If you have saved a credential of your Discord right here, you will be able to find it and you can just copy and paste it right and you'll be able to log in. If not, what you can do next is you can tap on this forgot your password option and then confirm. Then you have to give a test to confirm that you are a human. Then a verification mail will be sent to your email, so you have to go ahead and open your email account. So go ahead and tap on the mail from Discord. Now tap on reset password here. Type in your new password right here and then tap on change password. Then tap on continue to Discord. Now right here with a new password, type it in and tap on login. Then once you do that, you'll be able to log back to your Discord without any issue. So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.